High Power Committee mencagasngi kapratarik ujeliu arajar arpulai kilapenlong ya kejingelang ban Ïathir sanibha habaidai berkejing beteng biang ya kawat kabar bantau ya ïingdorbar thawaiñ bathymmai jong kejelah. Hagani kejinglang ladon lang ulampang ïingdorbar thawaiñ kejelah Thomas sangma menteri rangba kejelah ukonrat ke sangma kisembut menteri rangba kata ubak prestun tensong berba sniau balang dhar harangkat kiwei kidkhot ke bedai kinong thawaiñ pat ke officer jong kitanat sorkar beper habakaran bikinong to khobor hadin ke jingelang ulampang ke ïingdorbar thawaiñ Thomas sangma ulayathu babun kimat kiba kum ke kanhun ke haban pej biang haswa ban beteng biang ya kawat kabar ya kane ke ïingdorbar thawaiñ Shushu ulai thuru ba ke HPC bat kitanat sorkar beper kila pediang ya kejing ai jong mud jong kidkhot bat jong baro bat chen kin sa itino da kejing to sya ketanat kabdai pej.
We reviewed the progress of the new assembly building, which is the first phase, and we also presented the proposal for the second phase also. Second phase will include the staff quarters, MLA hostels, and the other health centers, schools, and so on.
So what were the agendas of today's meeting?
As I said, basically, number one was the review of the status, present progress of the main assembly building. Then the second item, agenda number 2, was to discuss about the second phase, which we are submitting a proposal to the Government of India through the donor ministry. Then the third agenda item was the presentation of the security systems, providing security solutions to the assembly complex.
So was everyone satisfied with the presentation?
No, we had a discussion, but this was the only first presentation, so we'll take it forward. Now, with the approval of the High Power Committee, Assembly Secretariat, and the concerned departments like PWD and the other like PMCs and the consultants will sit together and again come back. We have decided to, since we are building this, having this assembly building and the complex from the scratch, so we wanted to incorporate the traditional and cultural aesthetics in the interior, especially in the interior and in and around the assembly complex.
So if you can tell us what kind of changes were suggested,
No, there are no changes actually, but the principle of coming out with this, proposal for second phase, we also decided, and without compromising on as I said, the cultural traditional aesthetics, we have all agreed in principle that we should have, and also because we have 80 acres of land, but that looks very big, but actually when we put all the infrastructure inside, the space is not enough for us. That's why we have to plan accordingly, and this plan is not for short term. It is going for the next at least 2 or 3 generations in future.
So you just mentioned donor ministry, you can submit the proposal. You can tell us about that.
Yes, I had a discussion with the Government of India and the minister concerned, and they have been very positive. But we will know only after we submit the proposals how to go about it. Now we are only submitting our proposals. Whether the Government of India will actually accept or consider, that is to be seen later on. But we will try our best. Honorable Chief Minister and myself, we will be approaching them personally.
Final question about what about the clearing of the debris? Has the work started?
Yes, no, the clearing is already done. Now, to build up the pillar for the main center dome, so the construction is on. The debris is cleared. I think 90% or 99% cleared.
So the work has started, sir?
Yes.